investors, I am Hemant Desai from Concept Invest Well. Today we are going to talk about investing well. What is investing well? Investing is a verb and well is an adjective. So when we consider investing and do it well, it is considered as investing well. Investment is an art as well as science. To the extent that we need to be logical and analytical, it is a science of investing. And in investing, one needs to be imaginative and also try to visualize. In that context, it is art. So combination of the two, art as well as science, can make investing well. As I have conveyed to you, there are different options of investment. My colleague Navid and Siddharth will explain these options in details.
Equities. There are two ways to invest in equities. First one being you become an entrepreneur. You start your own business, and the cash flow which you will earn from it can make you very much wealthy. We have examples of Mr. Narayan Murthy, who founded Infosys and created wealth for himself as well as for his shareholders. Similarly, we have example of Mr. Jeff Bezos of Amazon, who again created immense wealth. So this is one way to be partner in your firm. Second important thing about equities is, if you don't want to start a business, you can still indirectly invest in equities and become minority shareholder of these great companies. So to give you an example, if somebody invested in Infosys during the IPO, rupees 9,500 has turned to around 8 crore plus rupees today. So this type of wealth creation can happen even though you are not an entrepreneur, you are not a businessman, but only an investor. The other thing which we need to remember in equities is we need to diversify our portfolio. Portfolio should have different sectors as well as stocks. This will mitigate your risk. If you are not able to dedicate time and attention, and if you are not able to monitor your investments, then you should not go directly into equity. You should invest through mutual funds or through portfolio management service. Precious metals. While doing asset allocation, one should allocate between 5 to 10% in precious metals. So why you should invest in precious metals? The reason being, it is a hedge to your portfolio. It is like an insurance. So allocating 5 to 10% will help you when the tide is against you. Again, precious metal is more for adornment and less for investing. And finally, it is not a productive asset.
In addition to investing well, I have two more suggestions. One, keep your investment simple. If you invest in too many titles, in too many options, you will get confused that where is your investment, what is your investment, and how to take care of it. So keep less titles and less options, and invest in such a way that you can keep a track of that investment. Next is records. Keep proper records of all your investments. Accounting. Do proper accounting. And finally, file your income tax returns. So these are also important parts of investment. We have talked about investing well. We have talked about what is right and what is wrong in investing. We have talked about asset allocations and pros and cons of different options. You also talked about monitoring. For all these doing well, better, you need a good investment advisor. Investment advisor on one hand understand you well, and on another hand he knows what is the options of investment and which options would suit you better. When you combine these two, you can do very good investment and over a period of time create your wealth. All the best. Thank you.